Oh man, this is something I've heard way too much today.
No one has any idea what's about to happen. If you're seeing this video, something happened.
We're Jim and Vanessa. We spent years driving the interstate, taking the off-ramp toward towns we'd never heard of just to see what was there. And then we realized how much fun it would be if we put it on video. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. We specialize in showing you fun, inexpensive roadside attractions, great events and historic sites, with relevant information on some really cool places you might not have heard about.
It's Jim without Vanessa, kind of in the middle of nowhere.
It's really kind of awesome in a middle of nowhere kind of way. It's a dark day in Kentucky. We've got a winter storm on the way that's got the forecasters totally confused. We'll get from nothing up to 6 inches of snow, but we're getting something. I'm not complaining about us because this is our first snowfall. I feel sorry for you guys in Tennessee that are about to get even more. Like, that's what you need, right? We've had some snowstorms that have been really bad. One time I-65, which is the main corridor through Kentucky, actually froze over. People were stranded on the freeway. I'm sorry, interstate, and I'm dating myself, aren't I? 24 hours. People were running out of gas, but on the good side, people were learning to get along and help each other. There were people with motorhomes and things like that that were taking people in that were going to freeze because they ran out of gas because they had no heat. There were a couple of times on the interstate, I'm driving, and all of a sudden, evidently, that section of the interstate did like this, and my car started going on ice, no control whatsoever. So whenever something like this is coming, I work kind of a ways from the house. I don't try to get home anymore. I know my wife Vanessa will be taken care of. I stay at work, but I don't go without accommodations. I've got my little pillow, my binky, inflatable bed, my toiletries, and of course the camera. No one has any idea what's about to happen. If you're seeing this video, something happened. We got flurries! Yeah, it's starting. We're getting something. I'm really hoping it's not the 6 inches though. If we get that, I hope there's no ice. I can drive in snow. Snow plows can keep up with snow. Ice, not so much. It is 28 degrees. To give you some context, we have had temperatures in the 70s, basically fall for this time of year. Christmas, I think we hit 75. Now we're going to be dipping down, possibly with wind chills below zero. Yay! This video might wind up being just a drive through frozen tundra. Either way, it's going to be a night for binkies and snuggle bunnies. Starting to get some serious accumulation. This is a view outside where I work. Maybe an inch so far? Yeah, looks like I'm gonna be spending the night at work. Right, little dancing sunflower. We are getting serious, folks. Truck's covered in snow. It's right there. What is it, about 2 inches? It's noon. Gotta have the windshield wipers up to make sure they don't get stuck to your windshield. Gonna be an interesting night. Stick around, guys. It's cold. This is the road outside our building, and the traffic is starting to slow way down. No, some of the traffic. That guy's slowing down. Wow. It took like 15 minutes to get into my truck. It's coming down. Police are saying they've had 15 accidents in like 2-3 hours. It's getting intense. I'm gonna go for a little drive. I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to go, but I want to give you an idea of what's going on. We're getting pelted.
Ever have one of those days you made a decision and you're wondering, what were you thinking? I'm beginning to believe I've just done that. I had a hard time getting out of our driveway. And everybody's creeping. Got on the road. Wow. I was trying to make a bank run for the boss because she didn't want to get out. I know why now. Ooh, look at that. Wow. This is not a day to be out. I'm making this a very short trip. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. It's like, wow. A few minutes ago, I told you we had 2 inches of snow. It's now like 4. We're supposed to get now, according to the new forecast, up to 7 inches in 5 hours. The good news is it's supposed to move out after that. We'll see. I have got some major slippage going on. Look at that. These people over here can't get down that road. I want to run down to this little convenience store and hope I can buy some lunch or something for dinner tonight, because I totally forgot about that. I remember the toiletries, but snow everywhere. Winter has arrived. Kentucky 2022. A lot of ice being thrown up underneath the truck. Man, what am I doing? I don't even know if I can get into this convenience store parking lot. Eternal optimist, I guess. I don't know. Either that or I'm crazy. How bad do you need to chill? Well, got into the convenience store parking lot, making my way out. No, tires spin. We've got a really quirky way to get into our office. It's bad enough when it's dry, but icy and snow, oh man, that's gonna be a test. Oh guys, that was not fun. Hope you enjoyed that little trip, but probably won't be going out again until tomorrow. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video because I can't do any of that kind of work here at work. And I know there's more out there, just wow. Time for another check the snow in the bush, and it's up to like 3 or 4 inches now. This is not good. The city's pretty much shut down where I work. They've got the major thoroughfares shut down. We've got semis slid off the road. Not a good day to be out. Good day to be watching YouTube videos. I know it sounds like I want to complain about the snow. It's really kind of nice when you get to sit outside because it's so quiet. All the traffic is stopped because you can't go anywhere. It would have been a lot nicer though if I would have remembered to brush off the place where I'm sitting before I sat down. This is our back stairway. It is, look at that. Look how deep that snow is, just on the rail. Oh, I'm gonna like this. When it's done, when I get home, I'm not gonna have any complaints. I'm really not complaining now. It's just so overwhelming. Look at that, the tree's got berries in it. I can tell somebody walked through here a few hours ago, but you can tell they're not gonna leave anytime soon. It's gonna take them a while to get this car brushed off. Wow, I can relate. Oh man, this is something I've heard way too much today. Over and over. Wow. Okay, it's time to get official. It's officially, according to my 3rd grade ruler, 5 inches. Woo. Thanks, Canada. Gotta say, I'm more than happy to come back inside. Wow. Kind of like really cold out there. I'm gonna go have some hot cocoa. Or yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Oh. This is the greatest thing I'm loving right now. I was gonna bring in my own personal Keurig. Look at this, the boss yesterday brings in a Keurig. I mean, I had to buy one and now I don't.
pretty good. Boss has got a good Keurig. Okay, that's where I'm gonna let you guys go today. I'm gonna keep you posted. As soon as I can get out of here, I'll make another video to tell you the aftermath. Keep it where you've got it. If you like this, if you wouldn't, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate it. And if you want to make sure you don't miss the next video, the follow-up, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. Very cold day.